welcome back to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond, and today is the last recipe because tomorrow is Women's Day, right? So you have to celebrate with some chocolate. That is why I saved the best for the last, and this is the easiest recipe. Mind you, you can literally finish it in 3 minutes, and you're going to watch it. I've melted some chocolate, and then I'm going to mix 2 very, very healthy ingredients, and I'm going to make some yummy chocolate pudding. Are you ready? Well, you should be, because after all those complex recipes and those little heavy recipes, although they were all very, very healthy, right? But they took a little while to make. They had a process. This is absolutely nothing. The val chicken, you enjoyed my pie, I hope, and all the other recipes. Well, this one is really, really my favorite, and I promise you, you are going to love it. So what have I done? I've added some dates to my mixer grinder, to which I am going to add some almond milk, and then I'm going to blend. Okay, so now this mixture is ready. All I'm going to do is I'm going to add this to my already melted chocolate, which is solidified a little bit. But what we need to do to rectify that is you're going to add this mixture and then just microwave the entire mixture for about 30 seconds. Let me pour this. Now, just to emulsify this entire mixture, I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds like I mentioned before, and I'll be right back. And I'm back with this emulsified, amazing chocolate pudding, which now is going to go into the fridge for setting. Now, in about 30 minutes, this will set, and can you believe it? Absolute decadence, which is so healthy. This is unsweetened chocolate, by the way, with almond milk and with dates. Can it get healthier than that? No, it cannot. And there is no better way than eating this to celebrate Women's Day, right? Now, all I need to do is, besides licking this, put it in the fridge for 30 minutes, but I do have some already set and ready. I'm going to go get that. Okay, this is set, as you can see, not moving. It's beautifully set, and I have these little flowers from my garden, which I'm going to garnish this with. But first, I'm going to use some chocolate, again unsweetened, and with the help of a zester, I'm going to take some ribbons out and I'm going to garnish my chocolate pudding. All right, I've got some nice shavings here. Now I'm just going to pick it up and make a nice thick line on the side. Okay, this is done. And now my little flower from the garden. Well, these are not edible, so they're just for a little garnish. After all, it's Women's Day and women love flowers, don't they? Well, I certainly do. I hope you made plans, and I hope you've enjoyed my series, which I've specially created for all you women. If you missed any of the recipes that I have shared in the last week, please do subscribe to Being Amrita, Chef and Beyond, and do check out all the recipes. You will love them. I have absolutely loved making them and creating them in my holiday home in Alibag. This is celebrating me time, and I hope you all celebrate me time almost every day of your life. Enjoy life, be the woman that you are, and be proud of it. Here's my vegan chocolate pudding for you to celebrate your day. Love you guys.